Hi everyone, I'm Ujjwal and you're watching DigitWise. In this video, I'm going to show you how to switch to the built-in microphone on Mac. So if you are previously using a Bluetooth headset, USB microphone or another external microphone, your Mac may continue using the device whenever it's connected. So if you no longer want to use external microphone, you can quickly switch back to the Mac built-in microphone. This is useful when you are recording audio, joining meetings, or making video calls without any external microphone accessories. So if you'd like to switch back to your Mac built-in microphone, just follow these steps. First, click on the Apple logo at the top and choose System Settings. Now go to Sound from the left side pane, and here make sure you are in Input section, and from the list of available microphones, click on MacBook Air microphone, MacBook Pro microphone, or built-in microphone depending on your Mac model. After selecting it, speak normally and check whether the input level meter responding to your voice or not, and if meter moves, your Mac is successfully using your built-in microphone. And that's it. So if this video helps you in any way, then do like it and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.